Hi Capricorn, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Capricorn, these could be your energies. We've got the Queen of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, Six of Cups, the Judgment, the Emperor, Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and the card at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Pentacles. Capricorn, these could be your energies. You could be dealing with a fellow earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. What I see here is the moment you start getting a hold of your life and you start building your own life and improving yourself as a person, when you start getting a hold of the things that are happening in your life, streamlining your goals and going after them, there's somebody from your past who wants to offer you a beautiful new beginning. This person could be somebody chosen by your father, or he or she could be somebody who's like a mentor to you. Whoever this person is very authoritative in their life. They like to rule the person that they are with, and it does not just pertain to romantic relationships. They are bossy in nature, and they would like things to happen the way they want them to happen and not how they are, how things are. But I feel, Capricorn, you are very closed off, even though you see a new beginning. Probably some of you are getting a new job, you're starting some new business. And when this person comes back in, it'll give you this much needed, much deserved closure, but it'll also make you really apprehensive and closed off because of whatever has happened in the past. Probably there was a brutal ending that happened. You've got the Two of Cups again, and you've got the Nine of Cups. They view you as their wish fulfillment card, Capricorn. They see a future with you. They see their wishes coming true through you. Yeah, they see so much happiness with you, Capricorn. But I feel you are a little burdened by their energies, the energies of this person, Capricorn. You could be dealing with a Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, even Scorpio is here. This person wants to offer you some new beginning. You've got the Two of Cups thrice now. Capricorn, what I feel here is you want to focus on your growth as a person. You want to focus on things that truly matter to you. You feel love can wait, especially if it's coming from the same person who's hurt you. Let's see some extra messages for you, Capricorn. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Number 20 and 8 could be important. 28 could be important. 2 is important. 7 is important. Even 6 is important. 9, 4. So keep a lookout for those. Somebody sees a beautiful future with you, Capricorn, or you see yourself building a future for yourself, and you see yourself being complete in your own ways, by yourself, doing things that truly make you happy, Capricorn. Capricorn, as a sensitive sign, I feel that you tend to absorb things that do not belong to you. Other people's pains, other people's stress. Sometimes you feel as if you need to take the burden of other people's karma. Even if somebody has wronged you, you feel you're responsible for that. Fine, 50%, yes, probably it's because of the decisions we took. But don't try and take on other people's energies, whether good or bad, because you have your own life to deal with, Capricorn, and sometimes these energies can drag you down. So be careful of that. Within the next few months, if any one of you had a timeline in mind and had a question regarding a particular timeline, then this is your answer. It's going to happen within the next few months. Intuition. Number 36 could be important. Pay attention to where your mind goes when you're not thinking about anything. Okay? That's where your intuition is guiding you. So just see where you're going, where you're headed, Capricorn. Grandparent. You have a special bond with a grandparent that can never be broken. And if you have any passed over grandparents, then they are looking out for you, Capricorn. They are protecting you. Take time to breathe out. Have faith in your dreams. What do you need to release? Show the world the real you, and a time for healing. Aquarius could be an important sign for some of you. You've got a full moon, which means end of a cycle, giving rise to a beautiful new cycle in your life. When I am committed, when I am connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. Yeah, Capricorn, when you're happy doing things that truly bring out your elements, you vibrate higher. And when you vibrate higher, you attract everything that you desire, Capricorn. I'd like to dedicate this beautiful jade stone to you so that your life becomes whole and complete in the way it is, and you find abundance of happiness, health, wealth, and lots and lots and lots of reasons to smile. Thank you for watching, Capricorn. Bye.